Hey guys, what's up? It's Ali Goodwin, and today I'm going to be showing you guys a 10-minute get ready with me look. I started off with no makeup, pajamas, and wait for it, my natural hair. School is coming up, unfortunately. Now this is perfect for back to school because you just have those days sometimes where you accidentally turn off your alarm in your sleep. What? That's never happened to me. So a couple of months ago, I woke up like 5 minutes before my final, which was super scary, and I just like ran to class. So it's good to have a backup in case that ever happens to you, which hopefully it doesn't. But now you can get ready in 10 minutes and not look like trash, so that's good. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this video and it helps save you if you ever have a morning. Make sure to subscribe if you haven't already because I will be having a bunch of back to school videos coming soon. What? Alright, let's get into the video. We're starting from really nothing here. I've got my natural hair, no makeup, pajamas. So yeah, we've got a blank canvas currently. I'm gonna do it in 5 minutes. Ready? Ew. Okay, so I feel like skin is so important. When your skin looks nice, you look nice. So doing some quick cover up. And now just a little bit of foundation. I'm not gonna do it as well as I normally do. I also recently started using this brush and I love it so much. It makes everything so smooth. It's great. Oh my gosh, I'm only a minute in and I finished my skin. I feel like I could probably normally get ready in like 5 minutes, but I'm just slow. Okay, skin is basically check. I'm gonna do some blush really quick. I feel like blush looks so nice. It just makes your face look so much more rosy. I have blonde eyebrows, so my eyebrows are a huge priority because you can barely see them. If I had to pick 2 makeup products, it would definitely be mascara and eyebrows because important. I'm low-key thinking about getting my eyebrows tinted, so if any of you guys have done that and think that'd be a good idea, let me know in the comments because that would save me hella time in the morning. I love eyeshadow. I feel like eyeshadow makes a really big difference in making your eyes pop. A lot of people I know don't really wear eyeshadow, but I'm a big fan. But because it's only 5 minutes, I'm just gonna put on some bronze behind my eyelid because I don't have time to go in and do all the colors like I normally do. I feel so stressed. This is so rushed, but I still have a lot of time left, so I'm doing good. Now for mascara. I have used Maybelline mascara for 50 years. As long as I've been wearing mascara, it's been Maybelline. I also take a long time to put on my mascara because I like a lot of mascara, really caked on eyelashes, which not everyone is a fan of. I have 2 minutes left. I'm doing really good. One eye done. That took me 30 seconds. I need more mascara. Okay, 1.5 minutes. Let's go. Okay, we did it. Okay, I have a minute left, so I'm gonna put on some lip color because I got extra time. I always wear 2 different lip colors. I have this pink color that I really like, but it's really bright. It's pink. So then I wear this more subdued color over it. And done. Okay, that took me 4 minutes and 20 seconds. No joke intended. So yeah, this is pretty good in my opinion for 4 minutes. This is basically my everyday makeup, except I would spend more time on my eyeshadow and probably put on some highlighter or something. So I feel I now in my life have no excuse for not getting ready on time because I can literally do this in 4 minutes. Alright, now with your extra 40 seconds, you should probably brush your teeth or something because that's important. Okay, now on to hair. Okay, hair, ready, set, go. Okay, I'm gonna try to do my hair in 2 minutes, which I think will be easy to do. But look at my natural hair. This is a hot mess. But this is my go-to. It's just literally a low bun and it takes no time. I just twist it and then twist it. That was a terrible explanation. I always have to keep a ponytail on my wrist just in case. And I'll just put that around my bun and then I'll just pull out the hair and pull out some little pieces. Oh no, it got really messy. I should do it again. Okay, attempt 2. Twist. Ponytail. Okay, that one was better. Now I just pull out some of my hair around my ears and then I pull out little pieces. There we go. Not the best, but when you have no time, this is what I go. That took me 1 minute and 20 seconds. Hell yeah, high five. I'm finishing so under time. I didn't expect that. I thought I would take a really long time and wouldn't be able to finish in the 10 minutes, but doing good. What's up? I prefer braiding my hair, which takes me longer, so if I had extra time and knew I did, then I would totally do French braids or something. Okay, let's go get dressed. Okay, time to get dressed. Definitely pick out your clothes the night before or else, I don't know, I spent 50 years in the closet. But yeah, I'm giving myself 2 minutes to get dressed and put my shoes on. I think I can do it in less time than that. Let's see. Timer starts now. Okay, it took me 2 minutes and 40 seconds, which was longer than I thought, but I had an extra minute for breakfast, so now I just can't eat breakfast. My hair can get messed up while I was getting dressed, so if I did it again, I would probably reverse my hair and getting dressed order, so now I know, now you know. But yeah, let me show you guys my outfit. I am wearing this really simple white and striped shirt from Forever 21. I definitely picked this because it's just simple and easy to pair with jeans, and it's really cute and comfortable. So yeah, I would say if you didn't pick anything out the night before, just go with like a really simple shirt and jeans. I always have like a kind of go-to outfit in case I'm running late. My Converse also took me a lot longer to put on than expected. I don't know why, but sometimes I struggle with putting on high tops. I literally wear Converse every day, but they go with everything, so it's convenient. Alright, that's all for today's video. I hope you guys liked it. I definitely learned some things from this trial 10-minute get ready with me. Definitely do your hair last because it will get messed up when you're in a rush to get dressed. And also you might need like 15 minutes if you want to like, I don't know, like eat breakfast, like pack your backpack. I guess those things are kind of important. So yeah, I hope you guys like this. If you have any more requests of back to school videos, let me know in the comments because I've got some plans that'll be coming soon, but would love to make whatever you guys want to see. Okay, that's all. Have a good rest of your summer and yeah. Okay, guys.